Hello, welcome to the video. So you decided to run your first Facebook ad campaign, and for that reason you need the Facebook ad account, right? Yes, to run a Facebook ad account, first thing first, you need to have a Facebook ad account. To have a Facebook ad account, you need just two simple things: your personal Facebook account and your business page. I assume that you already have your business account, business page, and your personal account. Next important thing that you need to do is you need to connect your Facebook page with your Instagram account or your Instagram with the Facebook account. The reason is when you running ad in Facebook, Facebook is going to display or serve those ad in Instagram as well. So they need to have access your Instagram account. So there are two ways you can do it. The first way is from your mobile application, Instagram app. Open your Instagram app, come right bottom corner, as you can see your profile picture I already highlighted here. Click on this profile picture, then you can see the option for the edit profile. Once you click on the edit profile, you'll find this area. Actually, you have to scroll it a little bit. Public page, public business information. So inside this you'll see there's the option called page. So connect or create. So once you click or connect or create means if you don't have one, you have to create one. Of course, you already have one. So you just connect here and then it will land on the third screenshot, which is login to your Facebook account. And then it's just simple. You just log in your Facebook account and then both your Instagram account and Facebook account is connected. The second way you can do is from your Facebook business page. Once you open your Facebook business page, go to settings and privacy, click on settings, and on the left hand side you will see the option for permissions. Inside the permissions you can see the linked accounts. Once you click in the linked account, as you can see mine is already connected, so you just have to click over there in the Instagram and then you just need to log in your Instagram account and that's it. Then you are done. Alright, now that you connected your Facebook account with the Instagram, now second most important thing is you need to create your ad account now. So ad account, we can create your ad accounts in two ways actually. Okay, we can first create our ad account and then we can create our business portfolio. So either way you do it, I'm going to show you both the way you can do it. But one thing is confirmed, that you must have to have one Facebook business portfolio. So this is must. No matter what approach you take, you have to have a Facebook business portfolio. Nothing to worry about it. I'm going to show you exactly how you need to create one. So let's start with the method number one. Imagine you going to first create the ad account. So you simply you can Google it, Facebook ad manager, and just you click the first link that is come, or this one, anything is fine. You just click any link. Now as you can see, this is where you will land actually. Go to ads manager. Mine is already created, so I just capture the screenshot what it would look like to you. Okay, once you click on the go to ads manager, so these are the screenshot you can see exactly. Reach the right people with the ads manager, you just need to click on get started. That's it. Once you click on the get started, then it's going to see the second page, the business details actually, what business industry and everything you need to choose. You just choose your business address from here. Then the third, you can see the payment option, and that's it. You are done. You just created your ad account. But as I said, you have to have a business portfolio, because if you go over there in the screenshot, as you can see in the bottom, it is saying, do you need to create a business portfolio first? See, as you can see, the create business portfolio is here. So no matter what we do, we have to have a business portfolio. Otherwise you cannot run your ad. What business portfolio does, it connects your business pages, multiple pages, even if you have more than one business or the single business or your ad account everything together. So how are you going to create your business portfolio? So this is what I wanted to show you. You go to this link, or I think you can even type it business.facebook.com. So in my case, if I just open this business.facebook.com, then as you can see, my portfolio is already created because I have done one. But don't worry, I'll show you exactly how your one probably will look like when you try it for the first time. But just keep in mind, you have to be logged in from your personal Facebook account. This is very important. Okay, you go over there, business.facebook.com/select. So this is what I'll show you exactly actually how to create one. Now we're creating actually a business portfolio. Okay, all right, as you can see, two of the portfolio already I have created in this account. So for demo purpose, I'm going to create another one, create business. Okay, now you need to give your business portfolio a proper business name. Okay, so I'm going to give it a trade scale demo, for example. Okay, your name, whatever your name is, you can give your name and the business email address. Okay, all right, you give it a name, your name and the email address. Now we're creating business portfolio, by the way. Then I'll show you actually how to connect the business page and what do you call this one, the ad account. Submit. Okay, now it is asking me to confirm my email. That's fine, I'll do it. Click on done. Now we just created our business portfolio. When you come over there, you click on this drop down menu. You might have other already created which you don't know, or if you don't have one, because now I created the trade scale demo, right? So I come over there, I choose select the trade scale demo, and I clicked on the business settings. So once I click on the business settings, this is where we're going to connect our Facebook page and everything. So let me show you the pages here. As you can see, I think pages should be empty. As you can see, there is no pages. If you go add accounts, you'll see there is nothing. Okay, when you go to pages, add an existing Facebook page. Now it is asking for the Facebook page name or the URL. So let me find my URL and then I'll come back quickly. Alright guys, this is my Facebook dummy page URL. Okay, so you must have your own Facebook page as well. So you just go and click the same like I did, just copy the link and come over here and just paste it. 1 second. All right, let's start again. Add an existing Facebook page, copy, paste, choose the page, and as you can see, my Instagram is already connected. So in your case, it has to have it connected, otherwise you have to connect it here. Next, and add page and Instagram. Now I have to authenticate or the re-verify again my Instagram account. This is fine. So I'm going to enter the password. Save info. So I'm done. It should be connected. If not, I have to refresh the page and then I'm done. Now, I would prefer first creating the business portfolio, because anyway we have to create the ad. We'll have the option to create the ad account inside the business portfolio again. Okay guys, let me refresh this page and I think it should be connected. Okay, as you can see, my Facebook business page is already connected inside my business portfolio. See, as you can see, it is written over there, business portfolio. Okay, so this is called business portfolio. Now we need to connect, or we can create our ad accounts from here. Ad accounts, add, create new ad account, give it a proper name. I'm giving YouTube demo, for example. Okay, one thing is very important, guys. Either you create first ad manager account or the portfolio. Regardless, when you creating your Facebook ad account, you must have to choose your time zone and currency right, because you cannot change it later. So this is done and dusted. Once you have done it, so you cannot change it once. Okay, so my time zone is this. Currency I can keep US dollar as it is a demo. Otherwise I can find my correct currency, British pound. There you go. No, here is the British pound sterling. Okay, I chose this one. Next, my business. Next, I agree, created account. So we're done here, guys. Just it will ask me for the payment information, and then we are ready to run our first ad. Okay. It's just setting up. Okay. Would you like to add a payment info for your account? Add payment info. I'll show you other way you can do as well. So this is your payment info. Once you enter your payment info, your ad account is created. If you say no, this is not a problem at all. You come over here, all tools, billing and payments. Once you come to billing and payments, you can see the option to add your payment info again. Oh, for some reason it is saying how you will pay, no payment method, some manage account. I think for some reason it is disabled. This shouldn't be the case. I think why it is disabled. Let's have a quick look. Okay, we notice some unusual activities, so we have disabled your ad account. Verify your ad accounts. Verify your accounts to run ads again. This is fine, guys. I don't know for whatever reason, because they think it is not usual activities. Anyway, now I need to show you, because now you know that it's already created. Okay, now I need to show you how you can run your ad accounts. Okay, you can run your ads. You can go on this menu, then you can go to the ad manager. I hope they will allow me to come down to this page. Yes, they did, but let's see what it comes. All right, as you can see, YouTube demo account is already there. There are few other portfolio, trade scale demo is there, YouTube demo is there under the ad accounts, as you can see. Okay, so this is the business portfolio we created, and this is the ad accounts we created. That's it. Then you just choose this one, and then this is where, as you can see, for whatever reason, I don't know why they disable it. This is, of course, I have to investigate and I have to find it. But anyway, this is for the demo purpose. I don't care. But you already know how to do this one. You just click on the create, and then your campaign is, your ad account is ready. So sorry guys, just for whatever reason, I don't know why Facebook just disabled it. Maybe I have to confirm my email or something like this, then it will be activated. But the whole process, this is the complete process. And one more thing I want to show you, if you follow this process to create the ad manager account first, still you have to create a business portfolio. And how you can do this, you come over here, and as you can see, there is an option inside the ad account. You can see create a business portfolio. If you click over there, as you can see, it is the same. So either way, as I said, you have to have your business portfolio created. Either you create the portfolio first or create the ad account first. It really doesn't matter. So I prefer to create the portfolio first. This way is easy, and I just simply connect my Facebook page and the ad accounts. And as I said at the beginning, don't forget to connect your Facebook with the Instagram, or the Instagram with the Facebook. This way, like, you don't have to rework it again. Thank you so much guys for your time, and if there's anything you found valuable in this video, please don't forget to click and subscribe. Take care. See you some other video. Bye.